Sales talking a customer involves persuasive communication to showcase the value of a product or service and address their needs. Here's how. Introduction. Greet the customer warmly and establish rapport. Use their name to create a personal connection. Listen actively. Understand their needs and preferences by asking open-ended questions and actively listening to their responses. Highlight benefits. Focus on how the product or service can solve their problems or fulfill their desires. Highlight benefits rather than just features. Customize pitch. Tailor your pitch to their specific needs. Explain how your offering aligns with their situation. Tell a story. Use relatable stories or case studies that showcase successful outcomes for others who've used the product or service. Address concerns. Be prepared to address objections. Listen to their concerns and offer solutions that counter their doubts. Provide evidence. Use data, statistics, or customer reviews to back up your claims and build trust. Create urgency. Highlight limited time offers or exclusive deals to encourage them to make a decision sooner. Offer solutions. Position your product or service as a solution, not just a purchase. Visualize. Help them visualize the positive impact your product could have on their life or business. Trial or sample. If possible, offer a trial period or sample to allow them to experience the product's benefits. Closing. Once you've addressed their concerns and provided information, ask for the sale. Use confident, clear language. Follow up. If they need time to think, provide your contact information for any questions and follow up appropriately. Be genuine. Authenticity and honesty are key. Building trust is crucial for repeat business.